Notice here, I want you to see something. Believing doesn't make you a son. To them that received him, believing in God makes you a child of God. And to us a child is born. Being born again does not make you a son of God. It only makes you a child of God. So we have many children on the pulpit. They have not reached sonship level yet. It takes sons to subdue kingdoms. It takes daughters to subdue kingdoms. These miracles you see us perform, it takes sonship. It takes... Even Jesus, he says, he received, watch this, by the many things he suffered. Even Jesus needed to train to be a certain level. And to us, a son is given, not born. Being born again does not make you a son of God. It makes you a child of God. Colossians 4 verse number 1. I'm talking to somebody and you're going to get it.